Alright, what's up guys? I am a new YouTuber to YouTube and I'm gonna be playing some Minecraft Pocket Edition. I hope you guys like it. Let's just get I already started. So no, I didn't start YouTube. This is my first time ever doing it. Yeah. I already started on this word and I actually I just wanted to do YouTube. Just wanted to do it for fun. I mean, my cousin does YouTube, and if you do not know him, his channel is Badinator. If you know him, isn't that shocking? My cousin does YouTube already. I was thinking of doing it, but I didn't want to. But oh crap, our axe broke. I wasn't thinking of doing YouTube until I saw some of my cousin's videos, and yeah, that's why I wanted to start doing YouTube. Because my cousin basically like inspired me to do YouTube. Yeah, so it's basically why I'm doing my first ever video. Alright, so now let's get back to the video. Okay, I'm gonna kill these sheep so I can get my wool. Wait, did I just? Oh, I forgot to grab that. Oh man, I'm kind of sick. Guys, cause I don't know why. Wait, is that a parrot? No. I need. Wait. How do you tame a parrot again? Oh, seeds. Right. Alright, seeds. I want one of those parrots. Where'd it go? Parrot. There you are. I'm gonna go on the ground. Just cause it's nighttime. And yeah, cause of that. Just gonna go on the ground. Cause I think I hear something, some stuff. Yo. Yep, there's zombies. It's nighttime, right? Yep. So I don't want to go out, cause I mean, you know, it's not that much stuff. Cause there's zombies out there. Yes. Wait. Oh. You know what? I'm gonna turn it day. Cause I mean, I want to turn it daytime. I forgot that I was playing on this world. On my next Minecraft video, probably. My next video, it might be Minecraft, it might not. Yeah. Oh wait, yo, what? No. We just found a cave. There's a zombie. Get the freak out of here, zombie. Not an effer. No more zombies here. Didn't even see that. And I accidentally do it cause you know, all that stuff. It's cause sometimes I like not notice things. So yeah. Okay. I'm gonna kill you, man. Kill you. Give me your food, fishy fish. And I don't know why I called it. I don't know why I called it a fish. Okay, I'm gonna build my treehouse on this. Wait, I didn't find iron. Sucks. Alright, for now, I'm just gonna build my tree, and it's almost night, I guess. Alright, I got. Oh, whoops, my bad. I got so much wood. I didn't even make a crafting table. Oh my! Whoops. Sometimes I make mistakes. I'm sorry, guys. But I need to kill those zombies. Oh, I think I'm gonna. I was thinking of doing /kill all E's because entities, because they're getting annoying. But I realized if I don't like set my spawn point where I am right now, I could probably spawn back to spawn, which is like over there. So probably it's far away. But let's just say it's far away because it is far away. Okay. Okay. I built some tree houses before. Sometimes I actually built them on trees. Like, yeah. Like one time, I was playing Minecraft. Oh man, we lost that word. Okay, seriously. Okay, that must be my parrot. Is it hungry? I think it is. I don't know. But like, what was I saying again? Oh yeah, like when I had Minecraft, I was building a treehouse in the jungle. I think I built it in creative because I wanted to, because survival you get limited stuff. In creative you get unlimited stuff. Yeah. Like I built a jungle treehouse, and it was big. Like it was amazing. It's like I made my own masterpiece. Alright, so we're almost getting done with this. I'm obviously gonna try and make some over there, which is like a little porch or something. You know. And since sometimes you can just get pushed off and yeah. The inside of the treehouse. And oh my gosh. I'm just gonna build like, see? I'm gonna build a 2-layer wall, and that's okay. That's gotta be okay. Obviously. Dang it. Oh, look at cracking table back there. If you guys kind of heard that little noise, it was like kee or something like that. I think that was my, I don't know what it was. Sometimes weird things just happen. Oh, no. Oh, yeah, we got some. Oh, wait. No, that's dark. Just gonna. Oh, I got enough. Yay. Okay. Pirate, let's go to sleep. Oh, man. Oh, my God. 1, 2, 3. I gotta turn the leaves into a bed. And we're done. That's it, I'm doing it. Wait, but my parrot will die. What? My parrot will die if I do this, right? I don't know. I don't know if it's a good idea. I really don't know if it's a good idea. I mean, I don't know. Should I? Should I not? But then I will lose my stuff. Alright, just for the sake of the video, I'm gonna do it. Okay. I said, kill. Ease. And I'm dead. And did my parrot survive? No way, my parrot. Yo, my parrot is legendary. It survived. It's legendary. Wait, it says Ashton Catcher. Oh yeah, my name's Ashton Catcher. A parrot and spruce wood plank drowned. Oh my gosh. See? It's legendary. Alright, boy, sit. Okay? Is it following me? No, but if I do stand, now it's gonna follow me. Right? It's not. Where is it? Where'd it go? Seriously? Oh, hey, what a trickster prankster. Alright. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna jump. Huh. Ah, that hurt. Actually, that kind of actually did. Alright. Hopefully there are no mobs around. See, look, now that just looks kind of cool, man. Apart from that, it's uneven, but I mean, I can just do triple door, or I can just do like cover up the middle one and 2 doors there. But then that just won't look good. Oh, what was it gonna craft? Gonna craft something. Where's my parrot? Did you get stuck up there, parrot? Or is it on my shoulder? It's on my shoulder. Let's go. Or is that my parrot? A blue parrot! I want a blue parrot! I want a blue parrot. I want a blue parrot. Give me seeds. Yeah. Actually, I'm just gonna give me 5 seeds. Since seeds are now rare to me. I'm not. I might make this a series, and I might not. But you know. And if you guys want me to play some servers, just leave it down in the comments below. And yeah. Seeds. Oh my gosh, I'm supposed to put wheat. Wheat. Oh my gosh, I spelled this wrong. Seeds. 5. Okay, I think that's all that we're gonna do for today. I just need to tame this. If I tame this, the video is over. We're just gonna, that's all. Tame. Hey, we got it. Okay. So that is all for today, guys. Wait, whoops. My bad. That's how YouTubers always end it. So, and I'm a YouTuber now. That person from. So that is all for you for today, and hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and think it and say what should I do next. Should I play some servers, or should I keep doing these series, or comment down some games that I should play. And